We're always keeping our eyes open for interesting vehicles that are coming up for sale. This one we saw at GAA, which is a good source of vehicles that are often overlooked. A lot of the major sites like Barrett-Jackson or Mecum have a lot of traffic and may have vehicles that have a lot of competition. At GAA, a lot of times they'll have vehicles that are not in the general marketplace. This is an interesting vehicle. This is a 71 GMC, old style truck prior to the square body. And what makes this truck interesting, first of all, it's a GMC, not a Chevrolet. And the ratio of trucks from GMC to Chevrolet back in the 70s and 80s was almost 10 to 1, where there were fewer GMC trucks. This is also a 2500, so it's a 3/4 ton. What makes it even more unusual is it's an automatic transmission with a big block. This has a 396, and you can see from here it's got an automatic transmission. It's an interesting color. It's one of those colors from the late 70s that was popular then, but is also very desirable now. Obviously, it's been redone. It has some custom features on it, but the condition appears to be good. And obviously, you want to do your due diligence before you purchase a car like this. But the fact that it has an automatic, a big block, and it's four-wheel drive on a 3/4 ton makes this an unusual vehicle. You're not going to find a lot of these. The selling price and the bid price, it's unknown what it's going to bid for. It's for sale in about a month from now, in the end of April. But these types of vehicles, if you watch our channel and subscribe to our channel, you'll find that we keep an eye out for unusual vehicles such as this that you may not find other places. The discovery of vehicles that have an unusual combination of equipment is a good thing, because you want to make sure these cars and trucks are maintained. They're not lost in the shuffle and end up in a crusher. This one, being an automatic and a big block and a four-wheel drive and a 3/4 ton, is something that you don't come across every single day. So GAA is a good source. Keep an eye on our channel, and you may find other vehicles that don't show up elsewhere that are unusual or a rare combination.